Look what's here. I'm so excited. Still sealed. Right, let's open it up. Okay, we're open. Oh, look at those pretty colours. Okay, we have their perfect white, their perfect black, no white top coat, a base coat. Oh, this is so pretty. What colour is this? Sea Life. Let's have a quick look. Oh my gosh. Look, can you see the sparkles? Not sparkles, like, I don't know how to explain it. They're not pieces of glitter. I'm going to swatch them. Definitely got to swatch them. So that's that one. Bright Honey. Oh, look at that colour. And 50 Shades of Pink. Oh, that is really nice. Right, I'm going to get some swatch sticks or some tips and have a little swatch. Okay, I've got some tips ready and I'm going to open them in order of how I open them out of the box. So we've got the perfect white, Soak Off. That is very white. Oh my gosh, that is really white. Okay, make sure there's no dust. Let's have a go. Oh my gosh. This is my first ever time trying Madame Glam polishes. So thank you to Madame Glam for sending me a little package. The consistency is so creamy. Look how opaque it is as well. That's some floof. How opaque that is. One coat. Amazing. Amazing. Black, perfect black. Such a creamy consistency. Really, really nice. So the problem I have with blacks though is they're not very one coat worthy. So let's see what this one's like. I don't want to waste the product on just tips that are just going to sit in the drawer. I'm being a bit stingy, but this is going on like a dream. Definitely, definitely one coat worthy. Look at that. I hope I was in shot for that. I was too busy concentrating. That is so, so nice. Okay, I'm going to pop that in the lamp and then we'll go on to the next one. Before we put the colour down, I'm going to try the base coat. See how nice the base coat goes on. Oops, popped it off. Very thin, but it looks like a nice consistency. Okay. Oh yeah, just goes on so easily. Like an absolute dream. So I've cured that the base coat. I'm going to put this Sea Life. It has like speckles, little speckles. So let's have a look. These colours, all three of the colours are just perfect for Easter and spring though, aren't they? Especially the speckly one, like a little, is it a robin's egg that's blue and speckly? That is so nice. I love that so much. So much. In the lamp. And then next we have Bright Honey. Lovely, lovely bright yellow. See what this one is like. I can't get over the consistencies. It's hard to find a nice yellow as well. Oh, I was messing that up a bit. I was trying to look at the camera. Wall painting. There we go. That is a nice Easter yellow, sunshine yellow. Definitely the best yellow gel polish I've ever seen or had. Very happy. In the lamp. And then the last one, 50 Shades of Pink. Such a nice pink. Oh, I love that. Love it. The coverage is incredible. The consistency is incredible. The colours, incredible. And there's no smell. I love that. Love it. In the lamp. So while that last one's curing, I just want to let you know about the packaging. So it comes, it's like a egg boxy sort of thing. Sponge on both sides, so they're really packaged really well. But not only do they say this to you, thank you very much, they're vegan, they're cruelty free, do not test on animals, HEMA free, so if you have any, or if you had any allergy or allergic reactions in the past to any gels or anything like that, give them a go, because HEMA free is where you need to be. And 9-free formula, I think that's toxins, and you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Also, only take 30 seconds to cure. I think that's amazing. I've just given the Bright Honey another coat. I feel like it needed another coat. This one could do with another coat as well. But the white, the black and the pink, the 50 Shades of Pink, incredible for just one coat. Absolutely incredible. I'm going to give them a top coat. So their top coat. Let's see what the consistency is like on this. Oh dear. What's happened there? Cured gel, maybe? A note? Brush pieces, bristles? My brush hasn't been trimmed. Sounds wrong. All right, let's give this top coat a go. Nice consistency. That is nice. It goes on so smoothly. And it's no wipe as well, so once you're cured, you don't have to use isopropyl alcohol to wipe off any inhibition there, because they have none. Then once this video is done, I am going to create a little set of nails using those three, well, the 5 colours. Try and use all 5. Actually, I don't know whether it will be a set or I might do like just singular designs. And I'm going to go and have a think. have a little play and see what we can do. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. That speckled one, it's so perfect for Easter. I'll try and put a picture of that speckled one so you can see, because I don't feel like the camera's picking it up very well. Try and get a bit closer. No. So I'm going to give them a cure and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.